Okay. Oh, wait a few seconds before I actually get right into it. Might as well start. I know that I'm going to have to be thinking a lot. And sadly, what I found out, or so since last stream, one of the first thing I checked for is how to get to extra level 5. In case you don't remember, or you didn't watch the last stream, these are extra 1, 2, 3, 4. This is extra level 6, and this is extra level 7. So I spent a long time running around trying to find extra level 5. Because I had all through 1 to 7, apart from number 5. Turns out that extra level 5, I can't access it right now. I know that I can access it after I finish the depths, which is this world. I don't know how much of this I need to finish. But I do know that I need to actually progress further than I already have in order to actually get... in order to actually play extra level 5, which I think is so stupid that you can play 1 through 4, 6 and 7, but 5 is just mysteriously vanished and you can't even see it on the map. Yeah, but there's nothing I can do that can be done about that now, so let's just continue here with extra level. Yeah, with extra level, or not extra level, the depths. The problem I have now, I need to get my cursor out. How do I get my cursor onto my skull? I mean, I guess I could do that. Okay, boom. And, okay, so in level 1, which is the skull I'm currently occupying, there is no readily available level to play with. In level 2, same thing there. This is just... level 2 was just very, very frustrating, because I believe it was level 2 that is just... you flip the screen a whole ton. But there is no way for me to interact with the level word in that level, so I need to be able to progress, and because level 1 did not have an interactive or a level word I could, or I did actually have a level word I could use with to get skull, but I need the skull because that's the only thing that I actually can control. So in level 3 here, we have a level word. So somehow I can turn the level into something in the overworld map. I don't know what I can do with it, but I can do something with it. I don't know what text I need to push there. And last time I did kind of figure out how to get a lot of the text at least pushed to where my mouse is right now. Which is not enough, because the problem is obviously the weak word. If I push the weak word in, it would just be level is weak, the level gets destroyed, so I need to remove the weak word. I can't get to the right of it, because of all the skulls are just gonna defeat me, so I need to push it up, is what I assumed last time. So I'm gonna still make the same assumption, I need to push it up, which means it needs to be in that position. Now is just a problem, how do I create enough tiles to just push the weak word up one tiny step? Because I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because I can do Beltis text. So that's barely enough, but the problem already is this is no longer acceptable, or not acceptable, it's not reachable for me, and even once I do get all 8 of them, I still gotta push it one more step. So either I need a 9th, which there is not existent, there's no existent 9th word, or I need to do something more clever. Probably need to do something more clever. because I can do text is shift, which will let me use the text to push the skulls in a different direction. Now, I haven't really been able to use that in a particularly meaningful way. So, yeah, things are rough. So, okay. What can I do? I found the most useful thing to push in this is because by pushing in, because I kind of need to access belt and I kind of need to access shift, so pushing them into the skulls is just making things more difficult than it needs to be. Then usually what I did is like text is weak, so I can extract, and now with the text is weak, I am capable of extracting 2 of these words. Not all 3 of them, but 2 of them. But that doesn't matter, because I need more words than I have. So I need to create something else. I need to do something with the shift. So if I can't shift the skulls, can I create a shift machine? I only have 1 belt, but since I can make text be shift, I could do text stack. But how would I do text stack? How would I be doing text stacking? Oh, right, I can turn this belt into text. I think. Yeah, I can do that. I did that last stream. And while I do it, I can have a text on top of it. That will be text stacking. But how would I do that? Because this belt is in a bit of a predicament, so maybe it would be easy for me if I could do that. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, and I'm just gonna push the weak into the correct position, because right now I'm just assuming at least that I don't need to do text this weak, but that could of course change. And now if I have a word on top of that, I can do that and that. And now I have text stacking. Now what can I do with the text stacking? I don't know. Do I need to have specific words in the text stacking? How would this interact? Oh, that moves a bit. That's in... Oh. Wait, why? Why does it do that? Because the belt word is facing the right and the is word is facing left. So I get why the belt word gets pushed to the left. I get that. But why does the is word follow along, and why does that take precedence over moving to the right? Does that mean if I change direction like that, it's gonna stop working? No, it doesn't stop working. Huh? I mean, this solves pretty much all the issue I have, because now I have an engine to push something to where I need it to be. But... why does that work? Oh no, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm still confused. Why does this work? I mean, I have an annoying skull in the way. So that's not correct. I mean, this would be correct if... This would be correct, because if I make text shift now, that's what really ruins it. So can I save this? Because that is gonna make the skull do bad things. So I'm fine with pushing the skull, I just need it to be done at a different time. I mean, I guess that's kind of fine. Wait, what? Why does the text stacking move to the right? No, that's not what it did before. I haven't moved it, so why, eh? Okay, I'm not sure exactly what I did different that time, but now I can extract text. I guess... no, I can't fully see if that is the correct thing to do, level is text. Yeah, this is just annoying. I can turn the rock into a level. Like that. But that's secret 2. Or extra 2. I still don't know if I want this text to even exist. I could make levels be pushable. I don't know why I would want that, them to be pushable. Okay, first I gotta retrieve my cursor. Okay, now I have my cursor. Okay, so in a different universe I could have made it, or the rock is extra level 2, I'll keep that in mind. But I gotta do extra level, I want to do at least extra level 1 before extra level 2. So what's stopping me from basically going to level 4 is the door, and the door opens with a key, and I can't get to the key because of the Babas. Oh? Because I can do that in the same way like I would have done level is push, I can do that. And because the Babas are now levels, I never face Baba, so I never stop being me, so I can use the key to get to level 4. Now, my question is just, do I want to do the extra levels now, or shall I do them later? I mean, the level word is not gonna disappear, so I'll just go for level 4. Oh no. No! Oh. Oh no. I have a... there's a pool, and I have control of 2 characters. Which I hate. And I need to get to the flag. That much is obvious, because flag is win. I'm probably gonna do it through Kiki's U, which I easily can do right now. I can easily do that right now. Currently, because skull is defeat, I can't do that. So I need to do something else with the skull. Or I could, if I could get past the skulls, I could push that down. so Skull is Sync instead, but that would require me to have an extra material to utilize as a sacrifice for the Skull, but at least that's more... At least that sounds like a plan. That would explain this, it would explain this, it would explain this. It does not explain the Skull word here. Oh, I know. Because I can push the text is... yeah, I can pull the text is pull into the here. And then do skull is pull. And I can pull this row of skulls out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's still something missing. No, I can pull them up. Yeah, I'll be able to pull them up. Okay, so that's gonna be fine. So I want to pull the text. And I want to slowly but surely... I'm gonna need the Babas to be distanced from each other, so... Boom. Fudge. Okay, so the text is pull right now, which is a bit of an issue, but I need the text to be pull. Oh yeah, wait, I can do this. Okay, because like this, now I'm both control of Baba. No, I'm controlling Kiki, but I still have both Babas alive. And now I can do text shenanigans like that. And what do I want to do? Oh, yikes. Okay, I'm gonna turn myself back into Baba. Because now I can pull the skulls out. That should be enough. Gonna need to... There we go. And I can do that. Now I just need a sacrificing piece. For the last skull. How do I do that? If I do that, I'm controlling the Kikis, and I could potentially do that. Now I'm controlling this Baba, and I can use that Baba. Oh right, I don't need the skulls to be pulled anymore, so before I do anything, I'm gonna destroy that. Then I'm gonna do that. Now I'm control of Baba, and I just clipped over the text. I can destroy that, but I still have this Baba to turn myself back into Kiki. And finish the level. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I have level 5. Living Lands. And I have a level is you? Oh no. I hate the level is you word. Okay, so basically what this means is I'm controlling both the me character and the level at the same time. And because I can undo Wally Stop, which will let me undo level is you, that has a lot of implications. I mean, let's start with a very quick way to beat the level. Because that beats the level. But because of this, I probably need to do something more with the level. And this is gonna be annoying. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I need to go up a whole bunch. Or I could go down and do that way, but okay. I mean, it's just gonna be... Okay, this is nice. I can still do that. Oh no. Okay, nice. Now I can do whatever I want with a level. I can turn it into a flag. No, I can't turn it into a flag. I could turn it into me. Is that I can turn it into a wall, but that's not going to be useful at all, probably. Do I want to turn it into a flag? No, I wouldn't even do that. No, I can't turn it into a flag because the hedge is up and I'm not going to be able to alter that. I can do level is win, but that's not going to be useful, so I'm going to do level is me. I don't know what I need me for. Maybe that is something I'll have to get back into later. But I do have grass. Okay, but that's pretty... Okay, yeah, that's fair. So what I can do with grass is I can do Baba is grass. And because of that I can cross it and go into the flag and win. Like, boom. Oh, there's the stupid extra 5. Okay, I need to... Okay. That wasn't difficult at all, but okay. Don't feel like I'm done with that, however. I'm gonna do the extra levels in here. Which requires me to do swoop. Oh yeah, I guess the purpose to turn that into me is because now it doesn't have any collision, so I can easily just push things along. Or not push the things along, I can easily go over the me sprite. And I don't have to redo everything all the time. Okay, let's go to the extra 1, priority lane. This is interesting. So... what? I need to get... Okay, so box is Kiki, but Kiki doesn't have any rules. Oh, Kiki's move, so I need to have the belt be shift when I'm on here. That's why it's called priority lane. Because it's gonna be a fight between me and Kiki. I want to win and Kiki wants to ruin my life. So... okay. And I see the issue now, because I need to use a word in order to... I need to use one of the words, at least, in order to destroy one water tile. And since I do need belt is shift, I can't destroy any of those 3 words. Or I can actually destroy the shift word, because I can do belt is shift using that. So I'm gonna use the shift destroy with the shift word. I should probably do it in a more clever manner though. Like in the middle, so I can actually retrieve things. I have a random AND word that I'm not fully sure what I need to do with. And I don't see any level word, so it's not like... because now belt is push, which is nice, I just gotta do that, and now I can just do that, and I need to do belt is shift. Like, isn't this the entire level? Oh. Because skull is shift, I'm not beating it. Oh, I see. Okay, so that is where the difficulty comes. So I need to find a way to undo the rule, probably? I mean, skull is not defeat, so technically I don't need the belts to be belt. I can turn the belts into skull. The skulls are all facing the right direction, so it wouldn't do anything if I turn the skulls into something else. It's impossible for me to know whether or not the skulls are overlapping with each other. Because if they were, I would be able to do things. Because there's another is here I'm not using, and then there's an and word I'm not using, so I'm missing something. I don't know what I'm missing, but I'm missing something. Okay. How do I make sure that I get priority? Can I undo Scully's shift? It feels like that is what I have to do. Okay, so I'm once again going to destroy the shift word, because I can't see why I would need two of them right now. Now I do have a random and, so what can I do? I can do belt is push and shift. I can do that. I don't see how that would help, but I guess I could try doing that. The problem with that approach would just be that it still does not explain the second is. So I would have one unused is. Which is weird. So boom, boom. Now the problem is just I can't get onto it and the Kiki has ruined my life. So that's clearly not it. And there's not enough room to the right to make skulls be push instead. That would also have helped. I can't push the conveyor to do anything useful with a shift, so maybe what I need to do is make the belts. I'm just gonna turn the belts into skulls. I don't think that shouldn't do anything, but I'm gonna do it anyhow because I don't have any other ideas right now. Oh right, belt is belt, so I can't do that. Okay, so all of that made the assumption that shift is the... I mean, I haven't explored everything, so shift could still be the correct thing to sync. Is there a way for me to sync the skull or the shift? Because if I can get skull into the water, that would help a lot. Because then skull would be shift and I would be able to get the priority lane. But that doesn't appear. I mean, why do I have two is's? Why do I have so many is's when I have an and word on the other side? How would I even properly use an and word? Because I don't need the bells to be pushable and shiftable at the same time. I only ever need one of them. What if the way I get the priority pass is if I do belt is shift and shift? Maybe that is how to solve this. That would be a pretty neat solution, to be fair. I mean, it's a bit messy as I've laid it out right now, so I'm gonna have to undo a bit. But that could be a pretty neat solution, because maybe that means double shift. Okay, I'm gonna just start with belt is push. Push the belt into the correct position, and now I don't need belt is push anymore. Now I can just do these shenanigans. Yeah, that is what I did. Shift plus shift equals shift. More shift. That's interesting. Okay, so that at least that was extra 1, and extra 2 is this. I remember that from earlier. Parade. I don't like bugs. Okay, so I have a bunch of things I can do. I can turn me into Kiki, but that's not good because Kiki is move, so that would undo. Oh, this is difficult. So I need this one to push flag is win in, but I need at the same time to fix this. And that would be nice if I could... It would be really nice, see, because belt is shift, I'm not gonna be able to get out of here. I can turn the bug into a variety of things, but regardless of what I do, once I do me is Kiki, this one will have a shorter path. I would like to turn this one around 180 degrees, so it gets stuck in here. That would be lovely, but I don't know how to do that. I do have a free is word here, so I could do a bit of crazy conversions. I can't remove the bug word, but that should still be rather fine. Okay, because skull is swap, I probably have to... Probably what I need to do is, if I push the bug in, it's gonna be facing the wrong direction. I wanted the bug to be facing upwards, probably. Because I need to swap. I need to use the skull to swap. At least that's what I'm thinking. I mean, I have a skull now, but what can I do with that? I have a bug as well that I don't know what to do with. Oh right, what I can do is I can duplicate things, because if I do like me is Kiki and Skull, I can make it be two things at once, which will create a bunch of sprites. I don't know what to do with you yet, Bug, so I'm gonna keep you there. So I can do like, hey, Kiki, or not Kiki, I want to do me is Kiki, and I'm gonna do me is Skull. That would allow me to be able to get a bunch of stuff, and I can maybe... shenanigans will happen because of the way things are. Yeah, shenanigans did not happen. Oh, this is difficult. I haven't used the bug yet at all. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the bug. Yeah, now would have been a good time if I could have another skull so I can get back in there. I don't even know what this would do for me. Hmm. Is there a... because at least this is something. Now I've been able to move them just one step and I can do, hey, Skull, you're... no, I don't want them to be Mies again. I can do... I mean, I can turn the Skull into Mies and Kiki at the same time. Boom. So now I have additional Mies. Don't know what I'm supposed to do with them, and I still have not found a use for the bug. That's too many moves, that strategy, to make the Skull into both Kiki and me. And none of this still explains the purpose of the bug. I'll have to get back to that one. I'm gonna go and do bonus level 3 and 4. Which assumes, of course, that I solve them. I don't even know how many bonus levels there are or extra levels there are supposed to be in this map. Let's just hope there are 4 and no more. This one's called Hidden Relic. which is probably referring to how the box has a flag in it. And it's kind of hidden away. Okay, so the text melts, the box melts, that means I need to have something be hot, and Kiki is hot, and so is the lava. And Kiki has no rules attached to itself, apart from being moved, so once I do that, I can't interact with Kiki anymore. Oh, that's annoying. I could do Kiki as Baba, but then I'm not gonna be able to move. Because Baba is you, not Kiki. Oh no, I can do Kiki as Baba still. That's still possible, but then I will have two Babas and I will have no way to turn one of them into Kikis. And I would still need to melt the box somehow. There's no on word, so I can't make a conditional Kiki turn into Baba. No, I mean the other way around, Baba turn into Kiki. Huh. So simple. Yet so devious. So, because text is melt, I can do a lot with the text. If I'm able to get Kiki into an even half-decent position, which I don't seem to be able to be. How would I get Kiki anywhere useful? When Kiki just goes up and down. So maybe the hidden relic is not the chest, or rather maybe the relic is not the crate, but rather the ability to make this Kiki useful. I mean, I guess one way that this Kiki can be useful is that I can have it be a 2-step timer, or like a 2-game tick timer, before it destroys a word, but I don't know why I would want that. And they've specifically blocked this off, so I can't do Kiki as you, because that would just easily let me win. I can kinda still... No, I don't want that. Still make a Kiki as move. Or Kiki as you. Because by doing this, and now making myself move, Baba's move, I move really, really quickly. Like that. And I can do that. Right, that's an issue. But that's an easily solved issue, at least. Wait, how do I solve this in one game tick? See, text is supposed to be melt, so why can't I destroy text with Kiki? Okay, so yeah, that does work. But Kiki... Oh yeah, because Kiki can't go on to text. So I need to do things a tiny bit differently. I probably want to have like the same end goal. I could have Baba is you be here. Or Baba is move over here. Which would let me maybe... Right. I gotta do things in the right order. But maybe that could work. Like that. And now I do boom. Boom, boom, ba ba. Oh, come on. Boom, 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 boom. But now I'm still controlling Baba. But that's still fine because I can very easily turn this into Kiki is you. I don't even know if I needed to do it like this. Yeah, now I just have Kiki as you and I can go and... Okay, I probably didn't even need to do like half of the steps I did there. So... that's always fun, overcomplicating things. Right, I need to redo Baba's level. Shoot, the rock is in the wrong position. Yeah, because I need to do that. That will still let me get in here and get the cursor on top of me, so I can go to level 4. Or extra 4. Which is this one again, but with a bit of a twist. That's nice to see. Okay. So, how do I do this? I could put Baba is all the way there. No, because I would need to do Baba's move. I mean, that would still work. I can do Baba's move here. And then just double push this, which would still make me Baba's you. The move word would be over there, but that's still something I could probably work with. Trying to think. Can I work with that? No, it's actually just simpler than that. I just gotta do Kiki is you. Which I can do like that. Oh no, yeah, wait, the problem with this is I need to undo Baba's move. After I've double pushed this. So how do I undo Baba's move? See, I will be standing there. I could push the U tile one step more, but that's not gonna help me. Maybe what I could do is do Kiki as Baba. Like that. And I can have... With the same move, I can undo... No, with this strategy I would still need to convert myself into a Kiki. But that's still... No, that's not fine. I was thinking now maybe I could do like, hey, this one is gonna go in at the very same time I do the switch to Kiki as you, but I'm still gonna need... That's only possible if I use move. But what I could do, actually, I'm still gonna do Kiki's Baba. And what I can do is I can set up Kiki is move at the same time as Kiki is Baba. Just really gotta desync these little fellas. Okay, that should help with the desync. Oh no, I need to do Baba's Kiki, so I'm gonna push things over one step. And then I can do Kiki's move. Actually, I probably want to do it like that. Boom. And now... I can do this. Oh, that's so close. No, I can't do that. Hey, Poster! Oh, I didn't see your messages. Sorry, buddy. The gaming is going alright. I don't know if you were here at the start of the stream where I got frustrated over the fact that extra level 5 on the question mark world is not unlockable. Even though, or it's not unlockable at the game state I am, even though 6 and 7 are fully playable and unlockable. 5 is not, and that is just weird in my opinion, but that's also just my opinion, so yeah. Oh wait, yeah, I can solve this by doing this. No, doing this. Now I just gotta offset them correctly. Boom, 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 boom. Right. I forgot the lava detail. I mean, it's not often I've actually gotten frustrated, but I think that is just poor game design to have that be the case. Wait, I think I am actually on it, I just have the words in the wrong position. So yeah, that would probably be the first case of where I thought it was actually a poor game design. Because even though it's frustrating, the whole... Like, there are some frustrating things in the game, of course, like tech stacking. It has never really been bad. Oh, that's weird, because OBS doesn't say that I actually dropped a frame. OBS doesn't say I've dropped a frame, so that's weird that it skipped a frame. It could be your internet, because Twitch is not giving me a is not telling me that I've dropped a frame. Nor is OBS. So it's still possible, but it feels a bit unlikely. But then again, why would the poster lie? So yeah, that's an oddity. What? To me, that... Okay, that's weird, because that's not the info I'm getting. Huh? That's an oddity, indeed. Oh wait, why is it... Huh? I guess that's something I'm gonna have to take a look at later, then. That's weird, because my bit... What? Why? My bitrate is the same as normal. My settings are the same as normal. I have no dropped frames from my end. I don't think this is something from my end. It doesn't at least appear to be anything from my end. I'm curious what other streams, I can't talk. I'm curious what other streamers you're watching. If you're chatting in this one, it's gotta be difficult to chat in all of them, so... Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I need to do Rock's... Wait, I just need to do... Yeah, I need to get my cursor. So for that I need to do Baba's Grass. Then I probably just need to enter and re-exit a level that is more easily accessible. Like... this one. Oh, that's not even a level. Oh, well. Hi, poster. Hope mine is worthy of saying hi to. Anyway. I think... there's not a lot left in this world. I haven't done this one. I kinda started, but I never got anywhere. So I gotta see... Actually, let me just look up the Twitch issue you were talking about. Dropping frames for no reason. maybe I should actually look for skipped frames, because that's actually a different word. Yeah, sure. That would be lovely, poster. It's weird why this stream would have that issue and not others. Okay, that's weird, but I guess that could I mean, at least locally on my OBS, that doesn't appear. That's not a thing, so it's weird that it appears. Hasn't been a thing previous streams, but it does appear. Yeah, that's just an oddity. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's really, really weird. I'll have to skip, or not skip, I will have to look into that issue later and see if there's anything I can do on my end for that. But there shouldn't be any issues. But yeah, I'll have to look into that poster. Anyhow, let's focus on Death's Extra Level 2. So yeah, that's gonna be a bit of a doozy. I played around with this a lot before. Or with before, I mean earlier in the stream, so I guess I didn't play around with it for that long, but I have no clue where to start. Like, it feels like whatever I'm doing is wrong. Or, not everything I'm doing is wrong, so I need to turn this one around. I need to turn this me around so it gets stuck in this loop, without it having pushed Baba all the way into the cubby over there. Which is probably something I am going to do using Skull is Swap. Or Skull is Swap. Now, I don't really know how to do that correctly, because the Skull doesn't have any other rules attached to it. So it's not like it's gonna get pushed or it's not gonna be moving or anything, but I still need a skull. I don't know where, I don't know when, but I do need a skull probably, because it has Skull is Swap. But swap is also just a problematic keyword in general because it creates such weird things like text stacking. Actually, that's one thing I haven't tried. What if I do bug is skull and then I send in a word? Okay, they're just infinitely going to keep together. Woohoo! So that's not useful at all. So... how do I do this? Very difficult question. I'm thinking... Turning me into Kiki is just going to put me on such a short timer before it ruins Baba Is You. I also don't know, even though the skull has the swap word, how do I... It doesn't change the orientation, so I probably actually do have to bounce me. But how do I bounce it? I can only think of it getting bounced by it hitting the wall. But the problem with that would be... Then I have Baba in here, and then Baba Is You is no longer a word and I can't control Baba anymore. So I need something else to pad it in there, preferably 2 objects, because I have no way right now at least to push in the is word. Or just not have anything touch the Baba Is You sentence, that would also work really, really well. So... But then how do I get that one to turn around? I mean, I guess I could get it to turn around and not interfere with this too much by having a well-placed skull. But how do I have a well-placed skull? See, I'm gonna start doing that and yeah, this one is really complicated. I also don't know how many more levels there are in the game, because this would be the last one that I know of, at least in depth. So yeah. Because if I do this, this just turns it into a very, very difficult scenario. But actually, yeah, it is a scenario I could make kinda a lot easier by doing something like that. And that. Boom. Boom. So now I can, in just a single move, turn both the Kikis into skulls. Now I don't know why I would do that, but I can do that. Now I have a bunch of free words to play with. And I still have control of my Baba. So now I could do like, hey, skull is Kiki, and I can say skull is me at the same time. That still doesn't utilize the bug though, so that's most likely incorrect. But at least it's a thought. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. So I need to utilize the bug somehow. I don't know what I can do with the bug. I mean, I can transform it, I know that, but I can't turn anything into a bug. Which would have been helpful. I can push the bug in, but that is not really gonna help me. I guess one thing maybe I could technically do? No, that's not gonna work either. I was thinking that, hey, I could send in the is word, and then I could just send in like whatever, not like, hey, let's just do me. And then I could hope that with a skull shifting everything around, I would be able to get... I would be able to do like me is you, so I am controlling something else that is not Baba. But then the problem would just be, okay, if I'm not controlling Baba, I need to still overlap with the flag, and I can't do that. so that's not it either. I mean, one thing I haven't utilized is if I can turn the bug into a Kiki, and that would give me a long timer before it will do something. But that doesn't fix any of the issues I have currently, so I don't see how that would be particularly useful. Maybe? No. I'm thinking, hey, what if what I do instead is, instead of focusing on me being in this big box and this, sending in the bug here, that I am here with like the bug word, and then I do bug is you, and I'm still here as Kiki. I would need a way to... The problem with that would just be if I put it... Actually, no, I can't move the bug word, so that doesn't matter. Also, what kind of bug is this supposed to be? Like a beetle? Because it's definitely not a spider, it only has 6 legs. And it has antennae. So I'm guessing it's a beetle. But it's a very weird looking beetle. Multi-bug, a bit of everything. I guess so. I mean, I think it has all the properties of a beetle. I think the antennae is a bit... dimension-wise is not correct for a beetle, but on the other hand, it's a pixel game, and the antennae are like 5 pixels big, so it's difficult for them to be shorter and still be visible. I mean, that bug has to go in there. I'm just gonna push the bug in there. I don't see a way for the bug to not be useful in there. I just don't know what to do with the bug in there, but I don't know what to do with the bug in general, so it's not like anything is different by having the bug in there compared to having the bug out here. Most likely, is that a clue or is that a guess? Because I would treat that very differently depending on which one it is. I mean, I could actually, you're right, I can get out because I can always do that. Now I can't get in again, but I can get out. So I could push the bug and something else in, but nothing would be useful really in to push any word in here, because hey, Baba is bug is not gonna do anything, and because there's no tile beneath, I'm not able to push them Oh. But what's the purpose of going in? Okay, it feels like you figured it out, but considering that appears to be clue. Okay, so the bug could be a timer, maybe. Yeah, that's something I've noticed before, because I can do like bug is Kiki and that would automatically make it a timer. But with a timer it could be used to make something XXX is YYY, I mean Kiki is blah blah blah, would be pretty useful as well. But what would you do with AAA is Kiki? I don't know the answer to the question 2 or question 3, I just know how to create a bug timer by converting it into a Kiki. I don't know what the timer would be for. I mean, the timer would probably be for something useful, but I just don't know what it would be useful for. I mean, I guess I could make a bug timer. No, I don't know what I would do with a bug timer. Okay. It sounded like, because you said XXXYYY, it sounded so deliberate, like it was made to be an actual hint. And I can't interact with Kiki, so what am I supposed to use a Kiki for? I mean, I could now do Kiki as skull. And then I would basically have a skull at whatever position I feel is needed. That would let me swap things around. Hello, Hollow Gap. If you have good memories of this level, you might be a masochist. Because this level does not appear super... it's so confusing currently. And I don't even know where to begin. If it is a cursed level, how do you have good memories of a cursed level? That feels like it's a bit of an oxymoron. I mean, I'm happy they made it an extra level, because this is not a fun... I mean, if the creator has done that before, why doesn't he make the ice pull level an extra level? Because I hate that level with a burning passion. I want that level to be an extra level. It should not be something ordinary people have to go through. So the one I'm talking about is like you have a clump of ice in the middle of the screen and you need to do ice's pull to create like a walkway, because and then do empty's pull to pull the windward. Yeah, the one with the UFO and ice. I feel like maybe it is an extra level, but if it's not, it should be an extra level and not a normal level. But yeah, and you have to pull the windward using empty as pull out from a huge line of aliens. Oh, I just hate the pull mechanic, and the ice's pull is so clunky as well. It took me a few tries to create a perfect ice bridge. I mean, what levels do you hate then, Hollow? If it's not the ice pull level, what ticked you off? Crushes. I remember the name, I don't remember which level is Crushes. What was the gimmick of Crushes? I mean, is it here in depths? Yeah, I recognize the name. I've definitely played it, I just don't remember which one, because I don't remember all 199 levels. Oh, level 2. That's Exercise Hall. Or maybe you meant it in a different map. Oh, I mean, this one wasn't too bad to just solve. It was way worse to actually make level is text. That one was annoying, but yeah, I still hate the ice pull level more. I haven't yet figured out exactly why crushes, or like making the level is text work. Like how that text engine... Yes, I mean text stacking is the worst mechanic in the game by far. But I still don't really know how that text stacking engine worked. Because they were facing the opposite direction. I don't get why they would just go in one direction. It was kinda random for me as well. When you did the rewind, it was kinda random after the rewind which direction it would actually go to. So yeah, I don't fully get that one, but things could be worse. Now I just need to undo things. Because I need to get back that Rocky's level. Okay, back to Zero Progress Land. Yeah, zero progress has been made. And I'm running out of my drink, so that's not a lie, or that's not a good combo. I mean, sure, Hollow. Considering I usually stream for like 3 hours, I don't know if there are any more levels after this one. But yeah, I could go for a custom level. I know Pastor would be really annoyed if I stopped getting tortured by this level, but I'm not gonna entertain Pastor's sadistic side anymore. I mean, I will get back to this level, so they will still see it, but they will just have to stay and watch. Yeah, I just gotta... I mean, is it in the level editor you play? No, where do you play custom levels? Oh, edit custom levels. So I guess get new levels, level code. Oh no. UTD YJ9F. Creative Lost in the Woods by Hollow Gap. Play now, don't save. Aw. Why do I have to destroy a car? That's not nice. Tree is not win. All is not win. Not Baba is not you. There's so many rules. I don't even know what a lot of these words do. Like sad, I don't know what that does. Oh, why is that even a feature? And I presume this isn't gonna work. Yeah, exactly. That's not gonna work, but if all is not win, how do I... Huh? I mean, I'm gonna guess Baba's win is not just gonna work, because... Huh. This is interesting how you would even win when all is not win. And not takes precedence over is win. It's also interesting seeing some of these rules you've written down. That makes me a bit... not confused, but it makes me think that either it's D cheese or it's just words you've added for no particular reason. Like wall is defeat. Is there a reason why wall is defeat? I mean, can you... that would... The reason for a rule like that would be that I could get onto the wall. And do something with that fact. But because the wall is too thick, like 2 blocks thick everywhere, I can't do anything by getting onto the wall. So I don't know what the purpose of that rule is. I could turn the wall in... No, I can't transmute the wall, I can't transmute trees. I have cars. I can make Baba into a car. That would be cool. See, I could do not Baba is you. Oh no, that's already not Baba is not you. So you've already thought of that. Yeah. I'm personally not a fan of red herring levels. Okay, so this appears to be valid. Not cars win. Now I just gotta find a tile I can actually overlap with. See, I could say Baba is car, but that's not gonna do anything. I could say Baba is not car, and because not cars win, that might be enough to make me win. So that takes over, I mean, okay. But if not win takes over everything, then I kinda have to get in there and ruin that rule. also, it didn't show me that it was wrong to say. That's a bit awkward because I want to push it down so it's not tree is tree. That would be funny if I could do that. See, not Wally stop is not gonna do anything, not Babis you and Saturn stop. Can you do not? Does that work? See, maybe that... Not cars, not win. I mean, still, that doesn't mean that anything is win, so yeah. Yeah, I know that it would make a positive, I just don't know if it would work in the game, and if it would work in the game, would that over... No, that would not work in the game. But it did not cross out not cars win, so it feels like maybe that is... I mean, not according to what you said, but it feels like almost then not noun is win would work. But then I should have already won because I am Baba and I am not Ka, so clearly it doesn't quite work. Also, these trees are just annoying in that they are defeat. I mean, I have the tree is tree rule here, and the problem with that would just be... I mean, I guess I could do... No, I can't do car... I mean, I could do car is tree. No, car is tree, it's not gonna do anything. Not getting the not word in there is not easy, but I guess it is possible if I ship it like this. It's not beautiful, but possible. I mean, that's just gonna turn everything into a tree, so yeah, that's not what I want to do. Could I somehow not make the trees not be... Tree is not tree. That would be lovely to be able to push in, but once again, I don't know what I quite would do with deforestation. That's at least something I could do. Wait, what? Tree is not tree. Oh, it doesn't actually even give a truck about this first sentence, it just did not tree is tree. Oh, that's interesting. But that would also mean that if I do push it all one step up... Yeah, you're right. So how would I undo the trees then? I mean, I could do trees, not tree. I guess I could do it in this direction. Then I don't have to worry about all the other words. Boom. Now there's no trees anymore. And I guess I want to do something with the wall now. I mean, I could do something like maybe what I could do is I could say I could do wall is not tree, but that's not what I want to do. Not wall is not tree. No, that wouldn't work. I still want to do wall is something. But wall is a preceding game rule, so I need to do not wall. There's no way for me to yoink in. I mean, the only wall I can yoink in something before is this wall, but that would be not wall is stop, which would make me unable to pretty much move anywhere. So I guess maybe now I need to do the double not. So I would have not. I mean, I could have wall is wall and then wall is not tree. Maybe that would work. I'm gonna give it a try at least. Actually, why don't I just make it car? Why would I make it tree? Okay, so that did not work. So I need to do not wall. I need to override the wall rules by doing not wall. And I can do something like not car or not trees, not wall. Boom. Now I can access a bit more to play with. These are stuck in here, but hey, at least it's something. Now I just need to do not Babais, not you. I need to keep that rule, but I would love to be able to play with this a bit more. See, is there an easy way for me to do that? Because if I do that, it's gonna be Baba is not you, and that's a bit of a shame. Because nothing... Yeah, okay. Baba is you, and the not takes precedence. So... I can do car is... No, that wouldn't work either. Feels like I'm so close yet so far. I mean, I can do that without needing to worry about anything. But this doesn't really let me do anything. I mean, I can do that, I guess, so now I can make myself be something else. That could be useful. But I still haven't fixed the problem of all is not win. And now I have no way of fixing that. So that's probably a bit of an issue. But I'm gonna keep with this for now at least. So now I can turn myself into things. Or I can make myself control other things, but there are no other things to control right now, so that's not gonna be too useful. I can do like car is you, but there are no cars. And it doesn't fix that all is not win, so I need to fix this first. Gonna undo a bit. Because it feels like that is what I need to do, but now I have Baba is not you and Baba is you, which is a bit of a problem, so I would like to do more with this. Surely this is not gonna work. You're just taunting me now, Hollow. I mean, I guess I could do not tree is not car. No, that's not gonna do anything. I need to specifically... This is not gonna work. I need to specifically involve a wall and say not something is not wall. This would still lock me out of the knots, but maybe it doesn't lock me out of enough of them. Okay, I would still have one free knot if I do that. I just gotta transport everything. Not car is... Okay, I can't count. This is still locking me out of everything. I mean, sure, no, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work to say like a wall is not tree or is not car, because that's obvious. Yeah, that doesn't do anything. I mean, I could convert them into... I mean, I need to get rid of the walls, which I don't 100% see I can do. I mean, if I could convert them to trees, that would be nice, but a wall is a wall, so I can't really convert them. And because that game rule was written first, it does take precedence over whatever rule I would create. And saying that a wall is not tree doesn't do anything, because yeah, it is not tree, so that's not helping at all. I mean, And saying not car is not car is not gonna... do anything either. Because everything that's not a car is not a car, so that's just logical. And I guess, what else can I do? I can't make them pushable. I can't really interact with these words too much, at least not what I'm seeing. I could make like tree is not defeat, but that's not doing anything. I could make car is not defeat, but that's not doing anything. I could do like not car is not defeat, but see how I don't see how that would help either. I could do not tree is tree. That's something I could do. Will that take precedence over the wall is wall? No, it doesn't take precedence over the wall is wall. Like, yeah, now walls aren't defeat anymore, but they're still stop. And I can't do not wall is not stop. So if it's too costly to use both not words, then I gotta convert the wall into something, but I can't see how to do that. I mean, surely this doesn't actually do anything. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. Otherwise I would have been a bit weighted out if that worked. And I haven't used the top left at all pretty much, so it feels like it has something to do with the top left. Wall is not. I mean, maybe I can do like not car. Does that work? No, that doesn't work. And doing wall is not car is just not adding anything to the game state. I mean, I also have these double car words that I can't seem to figure out what to do with. Maybe I can do like a link. Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll probably pretty soon ask for a hint because I gotta get back to the awful, or not awful level, but the annoying level. Can I do like a makeshift group? No, I can't do a makeshift group. That would have been fun otherwise. Brum brum. I mean, I guess if I do Baba is not car, I can do not trees, car, and just rage. Not car. Because then I would have a bunch of cars, but that doesn't do anything, because the wall is still a wall. I could turn them to trees, but that won't do anything either. Apart from just letting me have a bunch of defeats. Yeah, I could go for a hint right now, Hollow. Hello? Hello, Gap? I said you could give me a hint. I mean, is that a hint? Because that doesn't help me that much. I've tried so many things, like what am I close with? It also doesn't really help me figuring out what part of what I've done is wrong. Or what part I've done is right. If I can't delete walls or change it, it would be nice if I could walk over it. But the wall is defeat. I can't make it not be defeat. Or if I could take control over it, that would be nice too. But not Baba is not you, so I can't take control of it. I can? I mean, how would I walk over it? I mean, I guess I would remove this, I mean, make it not stop, but I don't know how. I could do something like not... No, there's no free stop word for me to do. is not stop. Because I can't extract these. So that's not that's not what I can do. I can't see myself walking over them either because wall is defeat. Even though I technically could make it no longer be defeat. So yeah, maybe walking over it is what I need to do, but to do that I will need to get rid of the stop. Not wall is stop is just really wacky because now all of this is just in the way. So maybe what I need to do now is like car is not... I mean, I guess I could do car is not car to make all of that disappear. And now I can do not wall is stop. So now I can walk on the wall, but it's gonna defeat me, so I need to do something about that. Now, how would I do something about it with only one not word? I mean, I guess I don't even need to do not wall is stop. I can do not car is not... No, once again, yeah, there's no free stop, so I can't do not car is not stop. I guess that what I could do is I could do wall is not car and then here do not car or I can do, yeah, I could do like wall is not car and then maybe I could do not car is... I'm just gonna do that. Wall is not car and then I'm gonna do not... Then I'm gonna do not car is wall. No, that's not what I want to do. I need double knots over here, so I need to figure out something else. I guess I can just do wall is not car. One thing I haven't used yet is word crossing. Maybe that is a mechanic I need to use. Like I have... No, I'm not gonna be able... How could I have solved the hardest part? Because it feels like now I have so little... I mean, it feels like I haven't made any progression at all. I'm not closer to winning. I've just removed more sprites. Oh, come on! You were this close and still do? Still do what? I mean, this is still not gonna work. That's only transforming me. I could do that at the same time as Baba is not Ka, but that's not gonna work or do anything either. I mean, yeah, the end goal is to do something with the wall. So I can do not all is not win and not Baba is not you, and then I can easily do anything into is win. I can do Baba is win. And if I do something like, hey, not... And what was it? I don't know if I had to get rid of the wall or if I had to go over the wall. That was never really... Oh yeah, I guess the reason I removed everything is so I can do that. Not wall is stop, so it's no longer stopping me, but it's still defeating me, which is a bit of an issue. Because I can't push in the not word. But this isn't gonna work because I know defeat takes precedence over win because that rule was created first, so I can't do wall is win. And just go onto the wall. Oh right, yeah, you're right. Yeah, I see. I don't need to go over the wall, I can use the texts for me. Now I can do is win. Okay. Yeah, what am I gonna say about that level? I am not a fan, personally, of puzzle levels with red herrings in them. I just think that's, I mean, yeah, I personally don't like levels with red herrings in them. It was an interesting solution, but I had to get rid of so much. So that, yeah, I mean, it was interesting. If you removed the red herrings, I would have liked it a lot more. Now we just gotta figure out this son of a level. How do I solve this one? I mean, I don't see why the car words were needed or why the car sprite was needed at the first frame. I mean, I guess I guess one of the car sprite or car words were needed. I mean, no, it could still be done differently. Anyhow, time to figure this one out. For story? But why would you need 2 car words for the storytelling? Because that would explain the first car, like it breaking down, and that's why you're lost in the woods, but why would it? Oh, I guess you needed 2 cars then to break the car, but yeah. I mean, yeah. Anyhow, time to figure out how on earth this puzzle is solved. Yeah, sure, give me a hint, because this level is... I'm gonna need... This one is gonna take quite a while, without any hints. Probably I'm not even gonna be able to finish today without a hint. Wait, is that a hint? Not even the level sign tells you anything. Oh, yeah, I can do me as Kiki. But that's... I mean, I know what the general goal is. When I turn me as Kiki, this one needs to go all the way down there, but the problem is this one is also gonna be Kiki and has a shorter path and is gonna undo Baba is you. So I need to either turn this one around, or I need to find a way to restore Baba is you without being able to move. That's the general goal. And to do that I have a skull that can swap things, I have a bug that can push things, and I have a me that is useless. Or it's not useless, but it doesn't have any properties attached to it. I know I can duplicate the me sprite, because I can do me is Kiki and me is Skull at the same time. But that doesn't really do anything. Yeah, I know. I've already figured out that, I just don't know how. I don't know how to set up like a wall in there. Because I can easily go in here, but because me doesn't have any collision, nor does Kiki, I'm not gonna be able to do anything with them. The only one I can actually interact with is the skull. I just got a thought. I can make the bug be Kiki in order to set a timer before, and then I have like me is Kiki. And then with the help of the Kiki from the bug, I create like a sort of timer before me turns into a skull. I don't know how exactly I would create a timer like that, but then maybe I could be in here, and I would ideally probably have like the skull here, and then I can swap. No, because if I swap like that, I can't exit. Because if I did a swap like that, if the skull is where my mouse is and I then swapped, the skull would be facing what I would want, or like the direction I want, but I can't really escape then, because to escape I need to cross the skull again. Unless the skull is here right before Baba, then I can switch and I can walk around. I can do that, and the skull is now facing the right direction. I mean, ideally it's gonna be swap, but I mean, swap is not gonna keep it from breaking, but it's gonna be able to put it back together. I mean, okay, no, you're right. Stop is going to be the best one, but I can't get a belt up here, so that's out of the question. But so am I completely wrong with my little plan of trying to set up a timer for this to convert to a skull at the appropriate time, and then I swap the skull and Baba, and then I just YOLO out and do skull is Kiki again? That might be overcomplicating it. I don't even know if that would work or how I would do it, because that's just a theoretical endgame. It would utilize everything that is here though, so that's nice. Just gotta figure out how would I even do that logistically. I mean, logistically, I'm just gonna keep it there. Then I'm gonna have Kiki be there. Can this Kiki push? Yes, this Kiki can push. Then I can have like me be there, and then I can prepare. Skull is... I mean, I'm gonna need this one as well, but I could do... No. Yeah, I would need Kiki's skull. Just gonna... Oh, my idea would not be an infinite loop. I'm still gonna try this first before I think about infinite loops. So far, this cake is not really doing anything, but hey. Because now... Oh no, this... Why doesn't it point in a different direction? That was my whole plan. Oh no. My plan got ruined! Okay, I guess the infinite loop is the approach I need to go then. Okay, infinite loop. How do I create an infinite loop with a Bob or a Kiki walking back and forth here in the middle. Because they have completely different Y levels. But I guess after I do... No, wait, how would I even do an infinite loop? Because once I do Bug is Kiki, then it's not gonna be an infinite loop anymore. No, there's no way to make an infinite loop, surely. And maybe that's why you put it in quotation marks, because it's not really an infinite loop. That would make sense. So I'm gonna assume I need to turn this Bug into a Kiki. And that's just the way life is. Actually, I can turn it into a skull. Then I could swap. What if I do this? And that one I can... I mean, I don't know what I would do with the skull, but I could do something with it. It's pointing in the wrong direction, but I was unable to flip it, so... I don't know. Actually, no, I would not be unable to flip it. But that still would not help me, so... Because now I could do like, hey, skull is Kiki, but no, that's not what I want. I want to do something else. So why is this skull... Why can't I flip this skull either? Yeah. What comes to my mind is, hey, what if I can... Now because I have a skull in there and I can swap it to a good place, I should be able to have that be like a barricade now. Now of course, Kiki is gonna completely ignore this skull, but... I'm gonna try it anyway, because I wanna see what happens. Yeah, Kiki is just gonna completely ignore the skull. And the only thing that has a stop attached to it is... Yeah, the only thing that has stop attached to it is belt currently and wall. And none of them don't have those words to play with, and I don't have any knots either. So that's not really gonna help either. Or not either anyway. What I could do, I guess, is if I undo a bit. Whoop, swoop, swoop, swoop. Now I can't push the Bug upwards. I mean, yeah, I know you keep saying that, but that doesn't really help, because I'm not sure how I would create an infinite loop right now. I mean, best I could think of maybe is if I turn this Kiki into a skull while it is on the skull, or about to swap with the skull. I have a few tiles to test with. Like, that could maybe be something. No, that's not what I want to do. Yeah, this doesn't work, and if I would do that, Cake is just swapping. So that's not useful either. And now if I do Skull is Cake, it's not gonna... I mean, yeah, I'm gonna have two Kikis, which is not good at all. Yeah, that doesn't work or help either. The only infinite loop I know about it is this, and like that. This creates an infinite loop, but it's not really a useful infinite loop. Could I do the same infinite loop somewhere else? No, I can't. I would be able to do that there if I could get a word in here, but I can't. How, I mean, I can get a word in there, but I can't push it upwards because there's nothing beneath it. And if I were to use a skull to swap it, I would still need to be beneath it. It also doesn't really help. I don't know even what I would do with a skull there and a word there, like, what would I even use that for? So yeah, I don't know what I think that what is currently just blocking me from being able to use your hints is just, even with an infinite loop, I don't know what I would do with an infinite loop unless I can get this little bugger stuck in an infinite loop, but I don't know how I could do that. I mean, considering I've tried basically every combination of all the words, it doesn't narrow it down at all. It just means that some combination of words is a correct setup. So it doesn't help me at all. I mean, I think the one that is the most fruitful is the one when I had a skull up here. But it's still always facing the wrong direction. Yeah, the first half, I don't know which first half you're talking about, like first half of the stream, first half of what I just said. I don't know. And I guess for fun's sake I'm gonna get back the skull in there and see if I can just be smarter about it. So now I have a skull in here. It's facing the wrong direction, which is obnoxious, but at least I have a skull in there. Is this the correct setup you're talking about? And then yeah, I have to get out using that, so now I have to do something else. No, not like that. That's not what I meant. I mean, I could turn the skull into a me, but that's not gonna do anything because it's still facing the wrong direction for it to become an infinite loop, so how would I turn it around? I just don't know what to do from here. Like, I gotta turn me into Kiki, but there's some time I gotta create a loop, so the top one doesn't do anything bad. And the only ways I can think of to create infinite loops requires... I mean, two skulls facing opposite directions would... Or like a Kiki going into a skull facing the... or not a... No, a Kiki facing a skull facing the opposite direction is not gonna... do it. But two skulls trying to swap places with... I mean, I need to do something... I mean, I guess two Kikis facing opposite directions would not be able to go anywhere. But that... I don't know how I would do that because of the skull facing the left direction. grade. Yeah, I don't know if the level title even is a clue in this one. I mean, I would presume so, given how it otherwise would kind of be impossible, but I just don't know how to create something to loop infinitely, given what I have. I don't know how to get Kiki to move infinitely. Or the top Kiki to move infinitely. I mean, it makes me think that what I ultimately need to do is I need to just constantly have like these in a line and just shift them back and forth. When you say that the rules are looping as well. But the problem with that would just be anything, I can turn anything into Kiki. But turning... I mean, I guess I could do Kiki is me, skull, me, skull, me, skull. What? Okay, I don't know why I couldn't do... why that didn't work before. Yeah, okay, so that is my... that is better than tech stacking, that flicker mechanic, but it is the second worst mechanic in the game. But with that said, yeah, I definitely agree with you. That level can definitely... I mean, there have been other flicker levels before, but then it's been obvious that you need to flicker. This one was not obvious at all that you needed to flicker. Now, with that said... oh, I destroyed the cursor. I didn't know you could do that. I have a world here, and I do not have an orb, so I need to figure out how to get the orb of this world. Or actually, how do I even, like, what's the next thing? Because that should be all levels. Yeah, these are all the levels. What? Is this just... I mean, surely there has to be another thing going. Like, is this just the end of the game? It shouldn't be, because this is the... surely this is not the end of the game, there has to be more. Like, there has to be an orb in this level, right? Go back where? Go back is a bit loose, considering I've in the last, like, 30 seconds been in all the maps. Why do you want me to go back, Hollow? Yeah, I was thinking that, but I don't know how to get the level word out. Because I kinda can't push it where it needs to go. And I can't push in the flag where it needs to go either, or the flag is. So I would love to do that if I knew how. I mean, I guess that would make sense, but because, I mean, there needs to be an orb, and if it feels like 11 is such a weird number, it needs to be 12 as well areas. But yeah, how would I... I mean, how would I? How would I get level out of here? Oh, I have an idea. If I do level is push, exactly, I can do that. Push that up. Now I can push that. And once I turn the Babas into grass, I can go outside and push the flag word into flag is level. Okay, that's Sacred 5. Or maybe this one will call bonus. No, it's not called bonus, it's extra 5. Okay, interesting. Okay, that's... I've still gotta figure out where to find the last orb, but okay. Skull is pull. I don't see how I'm pulling it. Oh, I'm the Rock. That's how. I'm Dwayne The Rock Johnson. And Kiki is shift. Okay. It doesn't help me at all. And I can't do this because that's just gonna undo things. So... I need to get in there without walking too many steps down, is what I'm thinking. I mean, there has to be a reason for Skull to be full. So that's weird. Why is Skull pull? Because it doesn't do anything. I mean, I guess the only thing it does is I can't go back. Otherwise I would have been able to cheese it. So ideally what I would want is to be able to go left as many tiles as possible without having to click left, which I could, by using a shifting Kiki, I could do that. The problem is, due to how the level is set up, unlike previous levels of the same genre, or the same, not the same genre, but the same, like, gimmick. This time I only have a select amount of left turns. Left moves, before it's all over. Okay, so I gotta figure out... I can go right all I want, but it's turning left that is the dangerous part. And how do I utilize... I mean, okay, let's see, how many steps off am I? I'm actually really tight, so I just need Kiki to shift me a single time. Assuming I take no left turns, or no right moves after I've made a left move. Then I would only need Kiki to shift me once. If I do Wally stop, so I can't, even if I make Baba be shift, it's not gonna help too much. The text is float. I wonder what I can do with that. I mean, technically what that should mean is I can put text on top of Kiki, but I can do that regardless. Oh, that's just what that's going to mean is even if I put text on a shifting thing, the shift is not going to affect it. So it's probably a D cheese, the text is float. Because I would probably also be able to cheese things quite a lot. And I can't touch the wall. Oh, what do I do? Like, that's one left move, and that's so expensive. Because now I need to be shifted 2 times for this to work. And if I do Baba's U and Baba's shift, it's not really gonna do anything. I mean, I guess what I could do with a shifting Kiki? No, that would only work once. I was thinking, hey, could I potentially do like an infinite little machine? But because there's no gravity or anything involved, shift will just do its... Yeah, shift would not even work on the text because text is float, so yeah, I gotta get that idea out of my head. So what if what I do? No, I can't undo any left moves. So I can't do a bunch of left moves, turn who I'm controlling into Kiki, and then do a bunch of right moves, and then turn myself back into Baba and do a bunch of left moves. That's not gonna be it either. It's interesting how few words I have. All I have is a shifting Kiki and myself. And that's apparently all I need to cheat 1 left step. That's all I gotta do. Cheat a single left step. Or actually, I don't even need to do that. Cheating a single down step would work as well. So I just need to cheat 1 step using the Kiki. That's all I gotta do. But for every left turn that turns to a right turn, I gotta do 1 more cheating. Which is the difficult part. Okay, so I'm gonna start not really trying to get into the goal. Just trying to... See, now I'm controlling 2 characters and I can do wonderful... Oh, that is maybe the secret. Because now... I mean, maybe not. Yeah, I would still want to be able to go up without having to go up. Because now I can go up, I can go down, I can go up, but I want to be able to go up more than I can go down with Baba, which is currently not possible. See, could I make it possible? Like if I have the rules here, what would I do? Shift, Kiki is U. Oh no, Kiki is U. Then I would be able to up. I could go all the way up there. Then I could go down, down. No, I would still be out of sync. So I need to sync Kiki, make Kiki a lot higher up than Baba. No, I still need to. Shut it. Like, yeah. Still running into the issue of not having enough up moves. That doesn't move Baba. So maybe what I need to do is I need to move Baba. Or I need, not move Baba, I need to find a way once Baba gets in here to not need to be able to go up several times without going down. I mean, I guess that is what I could use the shift for. Because shift would let me spam up without ever actually going up. So that could be why I need Kiki's shift. But the problem with that would just be that I need to make Kiki's shift after Kiki is already here. So I would need to make Kiki both be me and shift, but that's not possible. I mean, I could make Baba be both, but that's not gonna help. Maybe it is gonna help, I'm gonna try it at least. Because now I'm shift and I can push Kiki all I want. Now Kiki is already in a pretty decent spot. So now if this was in a better place, I just need to make Kiki's U be an upwards motion pretty much. I feel like I'm so close yet so far away from getting this. Maybe I just need to do Kiki Supremacy. And just control Kiki. This is annoying. To be so close yet so far away. Okay. Oh, that took way longer than needed. Oh no. New levels arose. Meta. Oh no, this is an entirely new world. Oh no. Oh no. And there's a lot of levels in this as well. But this is a problem for me another day, so thanks for tuning into the stream. I hope you have a good rest of your day, morning, evening, or whatever time it is for you, and I'll be back tomorrow, same time, and I'm gonna start with the meta levels. Hopefully I can do that, so yeah. Have a good one, and thank you for tuning in.